Let's give him a round of applause.
Dito ka na lumapit ka na, Ron.
Ayoko pa, nakakaya.
Dito ka na banda.
To our Governor, Honorable Nene Richie Nares, to our Mayor and Chairman of ITEC Board of Trustees, Honorable Casimero A. Inares III MD, represented by Councilor M.J. Sumulong, to our guest of honor, OIC Director of Gen Region 4 and member of ITEC Board of Trustees, today's commencement speaker, Dr. Freddy B. Bulango, to Engineer Christopher Jose Rodriguez, co-founder of Philippine Constructors Association Marikina, and representing PCA National today. To our interim president, Dr. Eileen A. Jansuy, to our college dean, Engineer John Joel Villegas, to Engineer Michelle C. Miliare, our skills director, ma'am, ITEC admin, faculty, and staff, Baghawi class of 2024, our friends, families, and guests, good afternoon everyone. Before I start, I just want to thank our Almighty God for making this impossible award possible. I am truly honored and excited to stand before all of you today on this very special occasion, our graduation day. For us graduates, this is not just the end of a chapter, but the start of an exciting new journey. Sa lahat ng nandito, our parents, teachers, guests, schools administrators, thank you for celebrating this moment with us. Looking back, I never imagined I would make it this far. To be honest, when I first entered ITEC, I asked myself na, makakaya ko ba to? It felt like stepping into a battle with only a sword, but no armor. Oo, kaya naman makipagsabayan. Pero hanggang kailan? It was the pandemic and we started with online and modular classes. Sobrang hirap mag-focus, grabe. Imagine, learning important lessons while hearing, bumili ka nga ng toyo. Or when your neighbor suddenly starts singing karaoke at full volume. It is just annoying that we lose focus in the middle of studying calculus. When on-site classes started, I thought it was going to be easy, but my body wasn't ready. I felt sick, cold scabs, everything, every day going home. It affected my focus, my studies, and even my motivation. But I kept pushing. I reminded myself that every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn better and be better. When pandemic happened, everything changed. Even when we returned to campus, education changed a lot. But I took it positively amidst the difficulty. Whoever said that engineering course was easy, right? I adapted to remote learning. That's when I realized that construction alone is continuously evolving, and adapting to technology is one of its challenges. That is why I strive to learn and make the better progress. I strive to be the nation builder ITEC is shaping me to be. One of my proudest moments was seeing my name in the Dean's List. For the first time, of course. I couldn't believe na akala ko prank lang ng mga tropa ko sa Facebook kasi hindi naman naglabas ng Dean's List ng first year, di ba? But when I checked on ITEC register page, what I saw was real. I cried a little saying na, finally, nagbunga na rin ang hirap at magiging proud na naman si Mama, Papa, at syempre ang aking lola. exposed to the real world is humbling. It wasn't easy at all. With all the theoretical and practical learning at school, I felt that they are equivalent to only 10% of my experiences during internship. You're almost back to zero. There's a lot of work pa pala, no, sa construction industry. I was fortunate enough to be assigned to PCS by Megawide. Especially thank you sa aking SME, kay Miss March, kay Sir Brian, of course PCS family. Specifically in the Learning and Development Department. I really had no idea what department does because I have not encountered it in any course of ITech. During my 800 hours internship there, we had a lot of trainings. Of course, this is translated to a lot of learnings, allowing me to adapt to the work life I was exposed to. Thankfully, my journey at PCS Megawide during my SIPP heightened my passion for the construction industry. It taught me that learning doesn't stop after school. It's a lifelong process. Sabi nga sa PCA, lifelong learning. Through them, I learned that the construction industry is more than just building structures. It's about shaping communities and creating a better future. To my fellow graduates, remember this. We are builders not just of structures, but of legacies. Let me reiterate that learning doesn't stop after school. It's a lifelong process. Let us embrace the challenges ahead with courage and innovation. Let's use what we've learned not just to succeed, but to make a meaningful impact. Finally, let us thank our parents, teachers, mentors, for their unwavering supports. Thank you po, ma'am. To my friends, of course, and to my study buddies, thank you for your laughter, tears, and also being also my motivation. And to my fellow graduates, I know this is not the end. This is just the beginning. Together, let us build a future we can all be proud of. Again, maraming salamat and congratulations to us all. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Maraming salamat.